So this is the lateral shift to cable rotation. I'm going to use a cable machine, but you can use a resistance band. Now, because of the angle that we're working at, a resistance band hooked onto a door handle while the door's locked will work perfectly well. Now with this, it's all about shifting the weight side to side, so loading one leg over to the other side, and it's also about integrating this rotation through the ribcage. What we're really looking at here is kind of creating more strength and connection with the anterior oblique sling. This sling, simply put, is the abdominal muscles on one side, feeding down through the pelvic floor and connecting to the muscles on the inside of the opposite leg. So the setup for this, I've got your band or the cable machine. I'm going to go opposite hand on first, nearest hand over the top. I'm going to give myself plenty of space. I'm going to adopt a bit of a wider stance than normal because the aim of this is to be shifting from one side to the other. Now with this, nice solid ground into the floor, heels and forefoot down, creating a little bit of tension through the feet. My body's up nice and tall to begin with the core engaged gently to provide support. From here, I'm shifting my weight onto the inside leg, and what I'm doing here, I'm pushing my hip back, shifting across onto the inside leg. This is kind of the leg that's being loaded to begin. From here, what you're going to look at is the rib cage is going to rotate across, so your sternum essentially is in line with the knee or just before it. Now, as you can see, my hands are relatively close to my body. Perfectly fine like this to start with, and I'll show you how to progress that in a second. From here, core engaged, my initial movement is going to be pushing off the leg to transfer across to the opposite side in the same position. Sitting back into the hip, grounded with the feet, core engaged. My torso isn't being pulled round, it's in this nice extended position. As I'm coming across there, I'm actually rotating the rib cage. Remember, set my rib cage in line with this knee. As I come across, it's in line with the opposite knee. The load itself is the easiest variation, keeping it close to you. As I bring my arms away from there, it makes it a little bit more challenging. Now with this, it's a great exercise to really connect the anterior oblique sling, but it's also a fantastic opportunity or fantastic option to try and teach the nervous system a level of safety when loading over to one side. So you may be someone who maybe does squats and you feel your body's shifting over to one side or the other. This may be an exercise that may benefit you. So with this, start nice and light. Aim 10, 15, 20 repetitions. Get the movement first, start nice and slow, get used to the movement, then you can start to speed it up and load it up. If you have any questions, feel free to ask away.